Yo estoy muy bien. Today we're going to be focusing on el clima, the weather. And we are going to learn to say things such as it's sunny, it's raining, it's cloudy, and it's snowing. So are you ready? ¿Estás listo?
Yes.
Muy bien. ¡Vamos! Welcome to Teacher Catalina, my channel where you learn Spanish from a native speaker, a certified Spanish teacher with more than 16 years of teaching experience. And now we're ready to go to our classroom so we can learn all things about el clima, the weather. Okay, amigos, ¿estamos listos? We're ready to learn about el clima, the weather. There are two questions that you need to know, and those questions are here. ¿Cómo está el clima? And ¿qué tiempo hace hoy? It's important that you know them so that you know how to ask about the weather and also so you can answer questions about the weather in case somebody asks you. To answer, let's start with two general answers. Basically, you could say the weather's good or the weather's bad. So the way that we would do that would be hace buen tiempo or hace mal tiempo. Let's go over them again. Hace buen tiempo. Excellent. Or hace mal tiempo. Good job. Then we can talk a little bit about temperature. Let's say that it's really cold outside. You would say hace mucho frío. Hace mucho frío. It is very cold outside. Now, if it's really hot outside, we would say hace mucho calor. Hace mucho calor. If you don't want to emphasize and you don't want to say it's very, you just take that mucho out of your answer. So then you would say hace frío, it's cold, or hace calor, it's hot. Got it?
Perfect.
Excelente. If somebody asks you how you're feeling in regards to the weather, you can also say I'm hot or I am cold. And in that case, we would use the verb tener. And if you need a little bit of review, check that video out. That way, you can make sure that you have all of those conjugations of tener under control. But a common way of saying I'm hot would be tengo calor. Tengo calor. Now, if it's cold, I would say tengo frío. Tengo frío. You try it. Tengo calor. Excellent. Tengo frío. You are excellent. Now we can get a little bit more specific about the weather. What if we wanted to say it's sunny? We would say está soleado. Está soleado. Soleado comes from the word sol, which means sun. Está soleado. Very good. Check this word out. Nieve. Nieve. Nieve means snow. So if we wanted to say it's snowing, we would say está nevando. Está nevando. And maybe you want to be even more clear and you want to say está nevando. Hace mucho frío. Tengo frío. The word lluvia means rain. So you could say está lloviendo. Está lloviendo. It's raining. You try. Está lloviendo. Very good. Here's another one you should know. Llovizna. Llovizna means drizzle. Like it's not quite raining yet, but it's starting to drizzle. So if you wanted to say it's drizzling, you would say está lloviznando. I know it's long. Try it. Está lloviznando. Very good. The word nube, nube means cloud. Nube. Very good. So if we wanted to say it's cloudy, we would say está nublado. Está nublado. You got it. So let's do 2 or 3 examples so you know how to answer these questions. Let's say somebody asks me, ¿Cómo está el clima? What is the weather like? And I look out my window and I say, está soleado. Está soleado. Hace calor. Here's another example. ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? And I know that it's been raining all morning. I would say, está lloviendo. Está lloviendo. Hace mal tiempo. Hace mal tiempo. Again, somebody may ask me, ¿cómo está el clima? ¿Cómo está el clima? And I'm going to say that it's snowing and it's cold. So I would say, está nevando. Hace mucho frío. Está nevando. Hace mucho frío. And that's it, guys. Now you should be able to talk about the weather, el clima. And you should be able to talk about how you feel using tengo frío, or tengo calor. And you should also be able to talk about specifics, such as it's sunny, it's raining, it's snowing, and all of those things. If you want to be more general, you can say hace buen tiempo or hace mal tiempo. You choose. If you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, I would like to invite you to do that, and also click the notification bell so that you and I can continue learning Spanish together. And while you're at it, smash that like button. That really helps my channel, and I'm very grateful for it. Muchísimas gracias por estar conmigo hoy. Thank you so much for being here today. Y nos vemos la próxima vez. I'll see you next time. Ciao.